Owusu Bempah sofo bichiao container government, cocaine and container government. What babamu 3 months? Why dream say Musa Dankwa? Aye survey a catcher when DC for say you for no nyina pen PP. Name mom to get to need your pen DC. Joshua Labi aye survey ebe catcher DC for say and man oh 1 year.
FBI sorry Kafra.
Osi mrantie no omunya frifie no mkodu university pe no munyina asochi kwa MPP it will matter as your ntiase. And so therefore the plan is that let's allow illicit drugs into the system, destroy the youth, and so therefore when we are able to destroy the youth, they will toe our line. Omunyina baba joining the NDC because someone get drugs, drug addict, someone bought drug, a red, and no nyema put them phone in our Ghana Krumunyina. Omunyina NDC for and the end destroy you for no. It is an agenda. And I'm 750 million Ghana is their mafia for office communication. And what why be the TV3 for media general for on what your XYZ for it for journalists for Ghana Kurum or churches as Canadian moms. So come and to the moment somebody by Ghana for so Mumuang. And as I say, Yachimu cocaine. I clear America for you know, we are some money saying, you know, say, yeah, but Chimu cocaine. We are cocaine dealers. We are cocaine government. I will be any tree. Yachimu. When you go see our Ghana Kruma, or be with some cocaine and mutili. Say, Moon Quam before some but your work is Kruma. It might be some cocaine in film. We win election, they straight to Nigeria. And a committee Nigeria businessmen, some of a committee of Nigeriano. I'm much a Ghana for Jumaquam, yes, and Nigeria for being a committee or no. We need an Omuku secret meeting. Omun cocaine dealers. A young pushes a cocaine and buying a coast as a Ghana Kruma. None can you monkey and sit that. Some militant cry me Bora forest be very good. Kum Ghana for a Tushanko for so see so Mukuta Musel, or mere sailors. Militant to me to show so. Let me ship new films, some eduum seeking the films under your government 3 months a pay. Mubai cocaine, mu yo kruma, good wahudua, mu pokronwa, mu yo Ghana kruma, bisi Ghana da. Mu ya Ghana for 600 trillion, 670 trillion within 3 months. Maji domestic bonds, 670 trillion cities, who may be assessed Canafa. Mubai makwaya me first and Kamuka Pesca, catch him some sandwich, and for that to Ghana ye, and to indicate a senior chester were yet Juma into Mumra, no man say ye. And I'm buying a mudi and you are coming on my wife say, and you're bit delico king. And as I say, more than a Ghana did from the Go Coast, I am the 2 high and if any Ghana, and more say and cocaine coast. Ya Chimo. We need to me Pia Ghana Kruma Pew. When you go as when you the city and get Chico King or Krumha, your team will be on order MIF, Gold Board, Chief Executive. On a federal bed defending cocaine issues or Ghana Kruma. Wouldn't can some wood and say, Gold Board, and I would Magana and you be on Tongo or Kruma. Just say, you good Nabre, wouldn't bush for John Mamma and a bush for Qua, and a bit Togo or Ghana Kruma and do some agent Fiatiano. Yet, some way you man. Nabansan had Chico King or Kruma, now for the one at Joy FM. And when you're brown, on test when you Nasa, and then the one who see a make allegation, I was saying, Manasha security Chio Kruma. Muya Mema, Munchi Reverend for Joe Kruma and Mohadi. Na me catch Ghana for say 28, 29, 30th no ye yet 3-day demonstration Krumwa ye kotra flash staff at mo jubilee any more 3 days ye didi no ye no mo betwe manso Krumwa mo say yes Ghana kudo no enyo mo ma me no papa no dia kwa mo de Ghana for so this time dey hu who talk credit go meet so pena matwe within 3-4 months no my imagine say Ghana sika nyina mo besesa ama mo ko no mabusuafo Master for China for Abase, Mubaya Ghana China Summit, Ibrahim Mahama on only government appointment. OSP heady.
Very cool. Almost say that need to be on account.
Okay. It's clear. Okay. It's clear. A man member say powder no rebel. Nasa illicit drug we Ghana Krumuha. Answer na mukra mube tonton mo neman bewi amusimu de free kruma even ahana mo de transit point kura kilograms amube jaw Ghana kruma memrantie na no sister nyasem ketwa. It's a danger ahead of this country also be sorry regardless of your political color. Also mo ni brina ho say wo ba be man na oba wo fa se be mo e ba ehu or you prone to drugs and as at the fit no say no ma ko say omo chichirin ti se de kane no omo ye ne simple se say na ukotudu ha omo ye no ye ne se tofi emrantie ni di emrantie ni say sister so one hwe ya we investment away no to shop and I won am say no be atwese kan wo so say for mamisika because Turkey na ban so no. So when you be no more na when you be here, obekun. It minimum you know say na nam krom ha no. Aye hu the country is in danger. So what me allow Masadi wait me Ragana krom dia. Minimum you dey safe bio because part of when the country bang the whole world will be ampe when the krom bio. If you're a fentanyl American citizens, I want to when you bring some penima China phone room krom bio. Mo ba government ya. Mo security systems ni na mo breaking, mo should breaking. That aeroplane ni besi ya, med air ni besi ya, mo offload mo ni wana na mo ma light off Kotoka International Airport. Sa na dwon mo dum light. Eti ye tie na hu se Kotoka call off ni enti ase a whole airport like Kotoka. It's in the call off. And ye ti die. Sa na mo yi operation. Ano nyame bie mo so de kan atom sa mo bie hu. Explanations amodi aba nyina no, it doesn't tally. Ni nyina are repelling. Most mobile be fix it ties. A bison baby of lodu fuel. Just an explanation is now the mind. You see, I'm funny too. See,
company Nankasa. Oga, really, are you here with the document? Company Nankasa na musi ombe offload phone. Ama statement say they didn't come to pick fuel in this country.
So this president must resign from today, or some continue resign, or say impeaching because as some way, and yes, some get what won kwa wodi appear e UK newspapers mo a kire say won fraud was asem we yankan wasem anwie ana Ghana for John for no to abama na wasan be president wo san ba ya fita sen pie Ghana krom bio enti we de bia the Ghana din be ko dichi mo ana say de o ma Ghana nya no nyam bio ana masa o sanka e fin ne kono asanka mutimi impeaching say nya ni to test our war parliament wo di hunu Ghana for and consistency and start application of impeaching this very guy it needs to ultimately lead this country again. Because security network in our collapsing in all of our security systems are down. They are on the grounds. The security system is on the grounds. PPM koso ofa yensu no so are weak. Ofa flower board are weak to the extent that militant from Cameroon and Cote d'Ivoire. Ah, menu me ye cry Ghana kroma militant ye who be Ghana kromada. Say they have taken over our forest and you are looking glary. And now the Bavlolat and Nam Sahel was on coordinating what? Are they so important to the livelihood of Ghanaians? Why ignore? And I want to say, connect Burkina to Ghana to whatever, and then you're trying to deal with the Russians and whatever. It is not going to inure to our benefit. Whatever is going to inure to our benefit is the fact that you people are destroying our water borders, you are cutting down our forests and taking off our gold and everything. True militant. Not a transhuman militant. Do we have a future? The country has no future as I'm speaking today. I will say the process of impeachment starts from today.
Hold on for me. Nanama, can you start timing people for me? If you Oposu Hiniwa, 5 minutes, why yet you?
I'm
coming back to you with the setting up of the gold company by Ibrahim Mahama and the Minister of Land. That is telling us that they are here to fight Galamsey, but they are setting up a gold company with Chinese. That is the note of it. So please hold on for me. Ama, hold on for me. Okay. Oposu Hiniwa, let me hear you.
Okay.
Donji, hold on, Donji. Yes, this is we. We are educated, we are learned, we know about the economy, we can see things and we can hear. As soon say,
the moment me then na me nya sa we no say plain be about cocaine there then this thing no. I
body can say white powder now can say white. Why?
Okay. I was asking myself,
Kaolin.
So
this
is repeating itself again. Yawa Ghana had the same thing. I was party ya mu aban we ya was so and the bibaye. Yet he had a better tray say, I didn't know adane kunkunte powder.
You.
Every year, Cramisana, Mammy Kohun said, boxes now, a containing gold. Dollars and then a CDs and also Dania be fake.
Aye.
Ghana yes MPP for an area the akusi na anti national security. Any Japan say or more air problem hold by na fe de more kwa sa betwa mo aka say e fake bi a.
Atwa.
Let's on my benny. On my benny atini. Let's mo tutu anoma ho no mo de abekere ye sa anoma benny. Concerning powder ye akosi obeje this last week me who video bi na young guy I want to find the kind of search I born or airport no. So I was telling one of my daughters I did the way see bobo you search it almost suspect say or the BB call. Cause and now yeah, quite suspicious. My boy no craft as and who be a beton so. Or you'll be so first time or share or move son on 2 quine than the first time I wrote 2 quine. It's no who boy. Just imagine, say, yet in my move. What the can back? Maybe they make after election, no make catch will be says, the second coming of Mahama we all. A bear to say you. A bear butu. It is at Bema being in a rejay. No, mummy and one in a mom so almost say baby, or be our agenda or deba. It this time around on the papa 1 year was some years ago, or by the finish it. Yet, yeah, and na NDC for catcher is Nanado, yeah, a family and friend government. And so, yes, yeah, and you be Ibrahim Mahama or a politician, and so you be a good board. I said, good in an for no company. How? Then your family and friends and I be na more running. And we a Dianimo. Now, you're so you or Siba so you wouldn't. Onim so no a omunim so omo ye NDC for supporters na sabi omo nsua de omo kan omo parking kan nim say omo tese omo wie at the end of the day krone boy ye nyina ye ebeka obi ebeka ye nyina ebeka obi ya emeka NPP for nkwa ebeka ye nyina enti ye de ye tim ye hwe omo koso a no omonye na se mra ye nin kaso ne so de ebra ne beso ebra ne so a me ebehu